welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mommy Prudence TV. You all are highly welcome. Today I have an amazing recipe. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare hair conditioner to moisturize your hair. To make the recipe, you need the following ingredients. You need aloe vera, carrots, banana, castor oil, olive oil. So these ingredients are very effective and they have a lot of benefit to your hair. So the first thing to do now is to peel the carrot, wash it properly and slice it. With the carrots, the next ingredient now is banana, so I'm going to peel it and add it to it. Then I'll go for the aloe vera. I'm going to cut off the side, and what I'm going to be needing is just the gel. I'm not going to be using the peel. The peel too has benefit also. You can use it for other hair food, okay, but right now I just need only the gel, so I will just cut it into two. Then I will bring out the gel and add it to it. Then later I will combine everything together and get my blender and blend everything. So now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and also I will add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Then later I will blend everything together. Here I'm done with the blending, so I'm going to pour it in a piece of cloth and squeeze out the liquid. The reason why I am doing this is because of the carrot. If you apply the ingredients on your hair like this, it's going to mess up your hair. You will wash and wash and wash because the carrot is not properly smooth. So this is the reason why I am doing this. So the best thing is to squeeze out the liquid and apply it on your hair like that. When you are done squeezing out the liquid, then you can apply it on your hair. After you apply it on your hair, cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it for 30 minutes. You can leave it for more than 30 minutes if you choose to. It doesn't have any effect on your hair at all. This ingredient is 100% natural. As you can see, the carrot has so many benefits to your health. It helps to prevent hair loss and it makes the roots stronger at the scalp. Aloe vera too prevents itching on the scalp and it reduces dandruff also. Olive oil also has a lot of benefits. It strengthens hair and penetrates the hair scalp and it smoothing the outer of the hair. Yeah guys, this product is very effective. Okay, try it and see the results on your own too, and also share to many people and let them learn from it. Come back and leave your comments at the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.